make sure like whatever they need, they are satisfied with it.
How many team members in your team now? Sorry.
Right now, we have more than 20 staff.
And how many showrooms you have in Dubai?
We've got actually 4. We have in Gold and Diamond Park, we've got 2. We have Aili Paroy Diamonds, Carpe Dame, and we have 2 in Goldstock as well, and 1 in India.
Okay. And apart from that, any other branch you have in Europe?
Yes, we have also our business partner, Mr. Ram. He is in Birmingham.
UK.
Yes, sir. We have 1 shop in there also.
Okay. And in these 6 years, like whatever you achieved in your life, being retail boss of the company or being personal,
Yes,
what was your challenges? In last 6 years, many up downs also happens in Dubai. Even.
so many actually, sir. Like, once, you are starting for anything, like you don't get the trust, even the people very well already. Like, it's like for them, once you start, they don't know you. That's the struggle. Because nobody wants to help, nobody trusting their diamonds, even the workshop. Because they think like, who are you? Like, how you will deal with this type of work when you are just a simple sales lady from previous work. But yes, that I'm very proud to say, like we were able to tackle all those hardship. And now we are in the comfort zone. And yes, we are aiming for more, better, to help and share with our other people also.
One question is from our audience. Like there was COVID time.
Yes.
How did you tackle COVID time? And there was something flood time also happened in Dubai. How you guys keep moving during that time? Even apart from the help, whatever Dubai government is doing from their side to all the businesses, they are helping a lot also. So what was your efforts and how you see this all?
Actually, sir, like, yes, we all know, like, in Dubai also, yes, we are experiencing, like, this, I might say, like, down moment. And yes, through that, we need to explore more through marketing, strategic marketing, like that. And we need to, like, involve ourselves online. Because that's how we can reach people. Even they are not here, but we were able to give the demand through online marketing, and we do social like this. We do through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, sir.
So
And
digital base.
Yes, sir. We are introducing our company through that.
Yeah.
Then, thanks God, there's a good feedback regarding that matter also.
And thanks to our ruler Sheikh Mohammed also,
Yes, sir.
who helped all the businesses during the tough time. And he is always, that's why there is always credit to him, number 1 in the worldwide.
Yes, of course. And only in Dubai you will feel safe walking in the midnight, wearing all your diamonds, wearing all your jewelries. Like you can walk even in the midnight, not worrying somebody will take your things. I felt, to be honest, I felt more safer here than in my country.
Why our audience should choose you if they are any part of the world, they want to buy, they want to customize, why they should come to Miss Rose, Aili Paroy Group of Companies?
We make sure that we are not just here for selling. We always take care for you, even like after sales. We are always available 24/7 for any like request. We are here always to assist them.
But that's you are saying. What about your team members?
Of course, sir, whatever like we are saying, the same thing our group is
So
doing.
you are monitoring
Of course,
each and every one.
Yes, sir. Because like in order to have smooth work, we have to make sure like everybody is doing according to what we need to do to maintain and to, of course, we wanted our client to recommend us to their family and friends. Then how they can recommend us? Through that only, with the best service we can extend to them.
And what's your customization timing?
Like for that, sir, like if it's like normal designs only, it takes only 24 hours to do. And we are happy to share also like everything we have in-house. We have manufacturing, we have we do our
So you have your own manufacturing unit.
Yes, sir. We have our own designing team also. And yes, we have our own workshop.
One more question last. What is the best thing that makes you different from other retail players or wholesale players in the market?
Actually, in that, like, people can tell. Because through that, like, I cannot say like we are the best. Through that, like how people recommend us, that we can tell that they are choosing us because we are the best. It's not like I will tell from my side only, yes, Aili Paro is the best. It's from the mouth of the people saying,
So this
Aili Paro is the best.
So this answer up to you, audience. So she is keeping up to you how you want to say she is the best or Aili Paro is the best. She don't want to answer for this one because she said it's to depend on audience and our customers and what's their experience worldwide with us for last 6 years. So they can put in the comment box. Last question, Miss Rose, what's your biggest number in your life as a sale? What you sold out the biggest?
The biggest, so far we sold tennis necklace, 1 carat each. And it comes with GIA certificate. And I'm glad to say that the client is again ordering from us because he knows everywhere we checked. Because client nowadays also, they are not blind. Everything they check. Of course, they check first the quality and most of all the price. Best, like who is the cheapest in the market. And of course, they come to know after checking in the market, they came back to us and yes.
Where you see yourself and Aili Paro group of companies in next 10 years, as we know, you guys did so much expansion like with a different brand name, Carpe Diem, Nova Star,
Yes.
Nergi Jewelry, Ram Internationals, many more names, Manama Diamonds as well. So where you see next 10 years yourself and this Aili Paro group of
I'm
companies?
seeing myself with the Aili Paro group of companies. Our office will be in Burj Khalifa because we will
Great.
be handling more than 100 companies under us.
Thank you
Thank
you so much. So here was Rosemary, and she is a retail boss of the Aili Paro group of companies, and she shared with us her experience, her knowledge, and overall, like how she brings changes in her life with her motivation, dedication, and best efforts from her side. So everybody can do. So this is our request from our audience. If they like this podcast with one of the best jeweler, Miss Roj, by Aili Paro group of companies. So please put your comments in the comment box and wait for our next one, podcast number 2.
Thank you.